we are going to make a necklace using old t-shirt and a colorful cotton thread yarn. So first we are going to need, of course, the t-shirt, a pair of scissors, and a ball of cotton thread yarn. So you may use other colors because I have the multicolor one. So first that we're going to do is we're going to cut the edge of the t-shirt, which is like this long. So it may look like this, the one with yes. So, and then the next is we're going to start to put the thread on this piece of cloth. Okay, all you need to do is to fold and then simply put the yarn. Okay, you may do it like this. First you have to lock it up so it will stay intact once you go through around this piece of clothing, and like tie it in. Make sure it's folded and you start to do it like this, that, and that, and then once you reach the edge you may do the alternate part so that it will look like this, crisscross. We achieve the crisscross part. Then next, if you're finished with the cord, so as you can see this, we have another cloth inside, so we make a circle, of course made of the old clothing, and then we start putting the tassel. Okay, putting the tassel should be like this, do it like that, that. So you see this, you put it in and simply pull it like that. So it should look like this. So you repeat this with another one. Do the same method. Okay, until you fill everything in. Okay, so that's it. And then once you finish this, you may attach it with the cord. Okay, once you're done, you are simply gonna achieve your easy craft necklace made of old t-shirt. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you so much. Bye.